back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys some of my fashion and style pet peeves. This is just for fun. I don't mean to offend anyone, but yeah, this is just my personal opinion. So let's get started. But first, I'm a little parched. Let me get some of my Capri Sun. Do not judge me. Pacific Cooler is like one of my favorite ones. Like, yeah, I know these are for the kids, but you know. Whew. That's good. So these are not in order of importance. This is just, I just listed them down as it came to my head. So yeah, so the first one is going to be see-through leggings. I cannot stand seeing females in these black leggings that are so thin you can see everything. I cannot stand that, okay? Like, I think I've mentioned this before on my channel, but you get what you pay for when it comes with leggings. So you get some cheap behind leggings, of course they're gonna be thin, and they always like to wear them as pants. Like, I don't want to see your thong, girl. I'm not trying to see the outline of your panties. I'm not trying to see your lumps and bumps. And that's no shade, because I have lumps and bumps too. But I'm not trying to show them off for the world to see. You know, like, oh my gosh, I cannot stand that. And it's getting cold, so it's like, here we go. Second one on my list is I hate seeing bra straps. And I hate even more when girls are wearing a just regular like tank top and they have the crisscross bra on. Like, what sense does that make? Just wear a regular bra. Like, I don't get it. And these next two on the list is for my fellas, okay? This one, I can't even believe that we're even still talking about this in 2018. Cannot stand seeing a guy with sagging pants and seeing their underwear and seeing the outline of the crack of their ass. Like, there's nothing cute about that. Like, who told you that that was hot? I thought we were past sagging. I thought we was past this. I cannot stand to see a man in an ill-fitting suit. Honey, get you a good tailor. If you are the type of man that wears suits, you need to have a tailor on speed dial, because 9 times out of 10, you're gonna get that suit fixed. Whether it is the pants that have to be hemmed or the blazer that has to be tailored, some form or another, you're gonna need a tailor. Another thing I cannot stand to see, especially in the summertime, is the feet hanging over the shoes. It's like, and you just scraping the toe knuckles and stuff. Girl, get the size up, honey. Get the size up. I know that was the last size and you really wanted them shoes and you tried to make it work. Girl. We see you. We see you. Toe knuckles. Another thing I hate seeing is people wearing clothes that are entirely too small, or on the other end, wearing clothes that are entirely too big. I remember when I worked in retail, customers tell me, I don't want to get the next size up, blah, blah. I'm like, it don't matter about the number. Cause like, if you out here trying to squeeze in this 6 and you were 8, you're gonna look like you were 12. You're gonna look twice the size. Like, get the size that fits you. It's gonna look so much better. Like, don't focus on the number. Like, the number doesn't matter, because each brand has their own sizing guide. So you might wear a size 6 in this brand, you might wear a size 4 in the other brand, you might wear a size 8 in the next brand. So it doesn't really matter. I can't stand when women wear clothes that are too big. Now, I understand, like, some people are trying to be modest or whatever, but you can be modest and still wear the correct size. Like, wearing stuff too big, like, makes you look so frumpy, like you have no shape at all. Like, it's not flattering. So there's a way to dress modest and still wear the size that you're supposed to wear and not be looking like a sack of potatoes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry if I offended you. This is just my opinion, just some of the things that I don't know, that I just don't like. Some of my pet peeves. If you have any pet peeves, leave them down below. I would love to see it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And check the description box below for all my social media networks. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.